What's up, people? Well, I'm gonna put Avika on live right now, so just wait for a second. I hope you all doing well. So I've sent the request. Hello, people. Hi. I hope you guys are staying home and yeah, keeping safe. Yeah. Well, let's see. Let me just get Avika Gore online and talk to her. Hey, hi. What's up? Well, I'm so bad at this. Well, hi, everybody. Hi. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. What's up?
What's up with you?
What's up? What's up with Instagram? What's the glitch all about?
I have no idea. So yeah, how have you been?
I have been good. Yeah, you tell me. How's lockdown treating you? Have you been able to hold on to your emotions and what's happening exactly? Are you going
Um,
crazy, pulling up your hair?
no, none of that. I'm just working out a lot more. So I'm proud of
Wow.
myself.
No, no wonder you're looking so slim, man.
Thank you.
Seriously, यार मतलब
Yeah,
क्या
I think
मतलब
I
यहाँ मैं मोटा होते जा रहा हूँ तुम पतली होते जा रही हो व्हाट्स दिस
आप
अविका
कोई
यार
आप
व्हाट
कोई
हैपेंड
मोटे नहीं हो रहे हो. आप कोई मोटे नहीं हो रहे
कम
हो.
ऑन यार
इतना
सीरियसली
इतना इतना हम्बल इतना ऐसा होने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है?
नहीं नहीं मैं भी एक्सरसाइज कर रहा था ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने एक्सरसाइज नहीं करी आई वाज वर्किंग आउट यस रिलीजियसली बट हाँ यार कुछ दिन से पॉन्च निकल गया यार पता नहीं क्यों पेट निकल गया यार ऑनेस्टली
कोई नहीं. By the
रिमेम्बर
time the shoot and all
खतरों के खिलाड़ी
starts,
वाला
तब
पेट
तक
नहीं
आ
दिखता था
जाता है.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी वाला पेट जो दिखता था मेरा छोटा सा पॉन्च 1 महीने का बेबी वो
कोई
वाला
नहीं. कोई एक महीने का baby. कोई नहीं. Till the time the shoot and all start, I'm sure तब तक
yeah
आपके abs आ जाएंगे.
इंशाल्लाह
मेरे भी इंशाल्लाह.
गुड यार बाकी क्या चल रहा है
I'm
ऑल
so
वेल
I'm so
ऑल
happy to have you on this live because there are your crazy fans. They have been requesting me to do this. It's a very long time.
Well,
वो
that's so
बस
nice.
चाहते
But I
थे कि
think I
हम
was
ये
just
live
reading
करें.
about the cause that why we're going live today, and that's a brilliant cause, and that's a very noble gesture. In fact, that you are doing right now. In fact, tell you honestly, मैं भी कुछ ऐसा प्लान कर रहा था कि अपने बर्थडे पे करूंगा, बट मैं बड़ा ही लेजी इंसान हूँ यार मैं बड़ा लेज्ड आउट हूँ तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता किसको अप्रोच करूँ कहाँ क्या क्या सन है बट आई एम श्योर इफ इट्स गोइंग थ्रू ऑल द डोनेशंस आर गोइंग थ्रू यू तो एंड योर
Next time you know whom to approach. I will let you
yeah.
know. So guys, मैं उनको बता दूं जो लोग ये देख रहे हैं और जो लोग समझ नहीं पाए exactly हम किस बारे में बात करें. I'll just
Yeah.
clear it out.
Yeah.
So on my birthday is on the 30th of June. I have started a fundraiser with the Camp Diaries NGO, and this fundraiser is for the underprivileged kids. So Camp Diaries NGO जो है वो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के बच्चों को और लो इनकम प्राइवेट स्कूल के बच्चों को एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर और को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज सिखाता है. That includes dancing, singing, drama, science
Nice.
experiments, coding. So there's a lot that they learn, and
Uh-huh.
those underprivileged children, they need our support. That's all they need. And I thought कि इस बार बर्थडे पे मैं तो डोनेट करती ही रहती हूँ, मैं इस सब में बहुत इन्वॉल्व होती हूँ, बट आई थॉट कि इस बार मैं अपने लोगों को इंस्पायर करूं, मैं अपने लोगों को ये कहूं कि आप जो डोनेट कर रहे हो मैं उससे मैच
Right.
करने वाली हूँ. So basically, if somebody donates 500, I'll be putting in my 500. If somebody donates
Oh,
10,000, I'll be putting in my 10,000. So that's
wow,
the whole
man.
intention behind this. And we are, lucky to have people like you as friends because I wanted
Uh-huh.
to reach out to more and more people, and your fans are really crazy. I wanted to reach out to them. मैं उन्हें ये बताना चाहती
Yeah.
थी that I am supporting this. I have personally seen Camp Diaries NGO का work. I have seen this very closely. I've met those children, and that makes me feel
Oh,
so proud. And I've seen them. Zen, I'll tell you, one kid,
Yeah.
he just came in front of me, started beatboxing, and I've never seen anybody doing this live without professional training.
So I
I
think there's
was
so many
shocked.
talented kids who actually don't get the opportunity to do it, and it's like a hidden talent for them. And I think this is like
Exactly. And you know, they don't even know that they are capable of doing something like this. उन्हें पता ही नहीं है. So I think that is
yeah,
what that is the reason why I support this, and I
yeah,
really believe कि you know हम काफी सारे डोनेशन काफी सारे लोग कर चुके हैं and
mashallah.
काफी सारे फंड्स आ चुके हैं, and that makes me feel so proud कि
Yeah,
you know I can reach out to so many people. I can tell them कि इस बार मुझे बर्थडे पे गिफ्ट्स फ्लावर्स चॉकलेट्स नहीं चाहिए, इस बार आप प्लीज फंड्स भेजिए because these kids need that. So
that's a very
I'm
noble
really
gesture.
glad.
Yeah, it's a very noble
I think
gesture. So
thank
where are
you.
these guys based otherwise? I mean, it's just
So they are based from Hyderabad,
okay.
but they are across 9 other cities. So
Oh,
and
does it include
they are
Mumbai as
planning
well?
to grow. Yes, they are planning to grow even more now. They are
Oh,
starting camps in many different cities now. So that is the reason. So I have been, you know, I have been knowing about them and talking about them since almost a year now. I know about these guys. Now
mm,
when I think about them expanding, I just know
yeah.
that, you know, all they'll is all about volunteers.
Uh-huh.
The volunteers handle everything, and those volunteers are so loving and so
Yeah.
passionate about what they're teaching the children. I think उन्हें
Yeah.
अगर पैसों का support की बारे में
हाँ,
सोचना ना पड़े, so
हाँ,
it would be even more better. So that is the reason I,
true.
you know, jumped in and I wanted to do this for my birthday. So I
And that's
just
a
hope I
brilliant
reached
idea.
out to many people.
That's a brilliant idea, I would say. And
Thank you.
you know, I would definitely would want to go to their camps and you know get trained myself. कभी कोई ऐसी
अरे
चीज अगर
how sweet,
कुछ है तो,
how
but
sweet.
if it's in Mumbai or probably if I come to Hyderabad sometime, I'm gonna
Definitely,
get in
it's in
touch with
Mumbai
you.
also. We have Cam Diary's Mumbai team as well, and
When are you coming next? I might drop in with you.
uh, I don't know because I'm like settled in Hyderabad for
Yeah,
now. So as soon as I am there, or you know
yeah,
somebody from the team, we can definitely guide you to this.
done.
And this is gonna be fun. The kids
Yeah.
would love to have you around, and that's gonna be so amazing. And thank you for the
I'll be
support.
more
Yeah,
than happy. I'll be more than happy to you know probably lend a word and probably अगर थोड़ा सा inspire हो सके वो मुझसे, so I'll be more than happy to do that. And I would want to urge all the fans. I think अगर आपको मेरे birthday के लिए भी कुछ भेजना था या अविका के birthday के लिए कुछ भेजना है, so I would want to urge whatever little or small. I mean, whatever you want to send in, just get in touch with Cam Diaries. I think you've sent the swipe up link, right?
so the
So
link
please.
is in my bio. So you
Right.
can clearly go to my account and just check the bio. The link is right there.
Yeah,
And I would request everybody to go to the link and read it once. Because
yeah,
लोग यहाँ
that's
पे ये समझते
important.
हैं कि पैसे जा कहाँ रहे हैं, क्या होगा हमें नहीं पता. So I want you guys to read it once, figure it out. थोड़ा
Yeah,
सा अगर doubts है तो मुझे पूछ लीजिए, DM me. I'm open to answering all of
yeah,
that. So
yeah.
yeah, I just want this to you
Uh-huh.
know impact many more children. They have already impacted like thousands of children, and I'm very proud of them.
That is great,
So
and
yeah, I
especially if
want
it's
this to.
yeah, since it's a non-profit thing, so I think that's really great and generous of them to actually do something like this. And now that you're involved, I'm sure you've done your homework and you've seen ki, what kind of work they're doing. तो अच्छा है वो यार फिर आई मीन कंटिन्यू टू डू दैट एंड ऑफ कोर्स अगर कोशिश करता हूँ मैं भी अगर कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकूँ एंड पीपल हु आर लिसनिंग टू अस इफ दे वांट टू कंट्रीब्यूट इन एनी वे दे कैन yeah so that's just a normal like urge
I would also like to mention something. So Zen, you're mostly. I mean, I've seen a lot of fans of yours messaging me, and also I understand all of them are kids or teenagers.
yeah they
And
are
I would like to tell them that आपकी जो पॉकेट मनी होती है, आप उसे बहुत बार कई ऐसी चीजों में
yeah
वेस्ट नहीं कहूंगी मैं, बट ऐसी चीजों में डाल देते हैं जहां आप अवॉइड कर सकते हैं.
yeah
एंड आप उन पैसों से आप किसी की लाइफ बदल सकते हैं. सो आई जस्ट वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट you know just one day of that particular pocket money that you get, you can you know help somebody's life getting impacted there. So
that's true
think about it, and figure out, read about it, and just donate it, because I really think that अगर हम इस हम इतने privileged हैं कि हम किसी की मदद कर सकते हैं तो हमें करनी
Right.
चाहिए. That is what I would
नहीं
say.
बिल्कुल आई थिंक लोगों को वो ग्रेटिट्यूड तो देना ही चाहिए ऊपर वाले को एंड ग्रेटिट्यूड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डोनेशंस एंड प्रॉब्ली charities that they can do if they're privileged enough. So that is what I think that's very important. I think जो आपको मिल रहा है वो आपको यूनिवर्स में देना भी चाहिए थोड़ा बहुत. So yeah, just think about it and करो करके बाकी I think तुम्हारा बर्थडे है तो तुम एक्साइटेड तो होगी बहुत.
मैं बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ, बिकॉज सी लोग ये भी पूछ रहे थे, आई मीन आई एम श्योर दे मस्ट हैव दीस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कि यार मतलब इतना ये लड़की इतने टाइम से काम कर रही, खुद क्यों नहीं डोनेट कर रही. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई हैव
But
बीन
you are
डूइंग दिस सिंस अ
donating.
वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम.
Yeah,
I have
you are donating, right? And you
yeah
are donating,
and
and you're donating the double amount. And कब से
yeah
involved
and
हो इसके साथ? So it's good कि
yeah
किसी को मालूम नहीं था. In fact, मुझे भी अभी पता लगा that you're involved. So charity जितनी छुप के की जाए उतनी अच्छी होती है. And it's good that you've involved, and now that you've come
yeah
out and spoken about it, it's a very generous thing. Yeah, good. Keep it up.
I think people need to understand कि आप अगर capable of. We are not asking कि इतना करना पड़ेगा,
Yeah.
ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है. It's
Correct.
just about opening your heart, and I think the most of it is, I think, the intention. That is the only
Exactly.
thing that matters.
That's what matters.
So yeah, that is so. Thank you, Zen, for letting me reach out to your audience, because I really wanted to do this in a big way, and you're making my birthday week very, very special for me, Zen. Thank you.
Love you, babe. Love you. And yeah, you have an amazing birthday. And I'm gonna give you a buzz tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, thank
Take
you
care of
so much.
yourself.
Thank you.
Love you. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Take care. Take care.